Hello, this video I'm going to show you how to make deposit using Bitcoin to your Binary.com account so that you can use it to trade the volatility. So when you open your Binary.com account, have you seen USD account there? Tap on it. It will come like this. Here's the account type that I have. Have you see I have crypto BTC account here. So if in your account you don't have BTC account here, you have to create one. For you to create account, when you tap on it and it opens like this, come to create account, then create crypto BTC account or crypto account. When you click on create account, then follow the steps, choose crypto account. After that, come back and choose Bitcoin. So I've tapped on it. I have to wait, so let's keep waiting. I have bad network, but it will come. So when it comes like this, have you see the menu here? Click on the menu, then go to cashier. Get it? Go to cashier. So come, I have bad network today, so let's keep waiting. Yeah, it will come like this. So here, this is what you do. Manage the fund in your crypto account. So if you see, have you see crypto deposit, and here to agent. So go to the first one, deposit. Click on it. They will bring their wallet, so you copy the wallet and go to your blockchain or either any of the wallet that you're using, Bitcoin wallet that you're using or Bitcoin account that you're using, then send the fund. Have you seen? So you copy it like this. Tap on it, then you copy it. Have you seen? Copy there. You tap, then you copy. After you copy the address, come to your Bitcoin account. I used blockchain, so yeah, those using blockchain, come here, tap there, then select Bitcoin, then paste the address here. You see address, then enter the amount of BTC you want to send to your Binary.com to trade, either $100, $200, or any amount. After that, click on continue. Then another page will come down. You click on pay. That's all. It's very simple. Then wait. You have to wait 24 hours before it will reflect. You get it?